Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessie Malay and I'm so excited to share another before and after renovation and design video with you guys today. This is my husband's office and I wanted to surprise him with a full floor to ceiling makeover. We wanted to design the space to have a really cozy, home away from home vibe since he spends so much of his time here. So we really took our time in choosing timeless, comfortable pieces that can be styled in a lot of different ways. Let's get started. Our office space used to be a ballet studio with a ton of charm. I knew as soon as we walked in here, it had great energy, and we were really excited to renovate it and make it ours. In the last video, I showed how we renovated and designed our office showroom. G's office is the room next door. We replaced the flooring and ceiling panels throughout the entire studio, including the showroom and G's office. We also painted the walls white, replaced the panel lighting, and removed the old blinds. These changes immediately brightened the space. I convinced G to let me design this space for him, and now it's my favorite room in our office. I wanted a classic and professional vibe with warm and modern elements incorporated. I'm going to walk you through each piece that I chose. I knew I wanted a statement desk to be the focal point of the room. I designed the rest of the room around this desk. This is the Arhaus Athens executive desk in tuxedo black. It's sophisticated and timeless with hand-carved trim and solid wood panels. We fell in love with it at first sight. The built-in shelving on the front gave me the opportunity to incorporate a few modern, chic elements that really tie into the rest of the room. Because G spends so much time working from this desk, long hours editing and on the computer, I wanted to make sure I found him the most comfortable chair possible. This is the Addy leather desk chair. It features a beautiful hand-finished leather, contoured back cushions, and the tone is so rich. It's also from Arhaus. This is the Athens Modular media console from the same Arhaus collection as the desk. It's also made from rich mahogany wood, hand-painted in a dark but neutral tone, artfully antiqued by hand to create a subtly aged appearance. I added a bar tray and a few of G's favorite drinks, as well as this amphora vase from Arhaus that looks like a piece I would have traveled with from Italy. I chose structured lamps for either side of the console, also from Arhaus. These are the Pierce floor lamps, and I felt like they were the perfect balance of modern and classic to frame the room, with a solid iron base and linen shades. This is the Jagger Chair, and she's mine. A lot of the time, G and I sit together to work, so I wanted something comfortable for myself that would still make a statement. This is one of my favorite pieces in the room, the Arhaus Xander bookcase in blonde oak. I absolutely love featuring all of my favorite decor elements, including some of our candles from our brand Haven Namai. I think thoughtfully decorated shelves are the best way to give a room identity. On the opposite side of the room, I wanted a super cozy couch for our guests. This is the Neva sofa from Sixpenny. We styled it with a travertine side table and olive branches to bring some color into this side of the room. This stunning rug under the sofa is the Lina hand-knotted rug in ivory from Arhaus. Love that it brings a little bit of an old world feel into the office, and the texture and design over the herringbone floors just looks so beautiful. I've been getting a ton of questions about these gray linen curtains, and I actually found them on overstock.com. This shade is Paris gray, and I'm loving the color combo of the tan and earthy tones in combination with these. Lighting is everything to me, so to dress up the room, I added this modern chandelier I found from Lamps Plus, and this beautiful brass desk light from Lightology. And that's it. G is beyond obsessed with his new office, and so am I. I'm so happy I could do this for him. The look on his face when he saw it all finished was priceless. I think it came out even better than I expected. I'll link everything in the description box below. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. It feels so good to finally be able to share this space with you. We spend so much time here during the day, and I really love how it turned out. Let me know what you think. Rate the space from 1 to 10 in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. So many more renovation videos coming up soon, and a very, very big announcement on the way. Stay tuned and we'll see you guys soon.